Good morning, everybody. Hello, class. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
How are
morning,
you
ma'am.
today?
Morning, ma'am. I'm fine.
I'm
How
fine,
about you,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Okay,
Thank
good.
you. And
I'm
you?
fine too. Thank you. I hope we are in good condition. Yeah. Okay. Students. I will
Yes,
choose
ma'am.
one of you to lead your friend to pray before we start our lesson. Okay, dear. Please lead your friend to pray. Dia, can you hear me? Please lead your friend to pray.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Rosa.
Okay. Okay, friends. Before we start our study today, first of all, we pray together. Pray began. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Rosa. Okay, before
You're
we
welcome,
continue our
ma'am.
class, I would like to check your presence, yeah? Who is absent today?
No one is absent, ma'am.
Everybody is here, ma'am.
Oke, Ibu berharap
Everybody
pertemuan
present.
berikutnya semua pada hadir seperti hari ini ya. Oke, students, before we come to our material, who is still remember what lesson that we have learned for the last meeting? Elias,
Yes, ma'am.
you still remember what lesson that we have learned for the last meeting?
Descriptive text, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, before I explain about descriptive text today, I want to ask you, have you gone to some tourism place? Have you gone to some tourism place?
Komodo
Visit.
Island. Komodo Island.
Okay, Komodo Island, Elias. Where is
Yes.
Komodo Island, Elias?
In Manggarai. That's Manggarai. NTT.
Okay, okay. Have you ever told to your friend about tourism place that ever you visited?
What, man? What?
Have you ever told to your friend about tourism place?
Always, ma'am. Always,
Okay.
always, always.
Kira-kira apa yang Elias ceritakan di situ?
Komodonya besar. Pemandangannya, the view is beautiful.
Yeah.
The Komodo like is a lizard. And many people come to there.
Okay. Apa kira-kira tujuan Elias menceritakan itu kepada teman-teman?
The people want to know what the komodo what I mean, seperti apa komodo itu gitu.
Oke. Thank you Elias. Nah, dari yang Ibu tadi kira-kira materi apa yang kita pelajari hari ini?
Komodo.
Kira-kira materi apa?
It's about Komodo.
Animals, ma'am. Animals, maybe, ma'am.
Oke, teks tentang apa? Teks tentang apa yang mendeskripsikan tentang sesuatu?
Descriptive, ma'am.
Oke, good.
Descriptive, ma'am.
Okay. Before we come to our material, I will show you our learning objective. Sabar ya, Ibu akan tunjukkan tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini. Apakah sudah terlihat?
Sudah, Bu.
Ibu ada kendala
Sudah, Bu.
jaringan ini. Ya. Oke, Ibu
Jadi,
minta Desi untuk membacakan tujuan pembelajaran yang pertama.
Siap, Ibu. Tujuan pembelajaran yang pertama, menemukan ide pokok dari teks deskriptif tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal, pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya.
Oke, yang kedua, Krisamina.
Iya, Ibu. Yang kedua, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Beberapa teks deskriptif tulis dengan memberi saran dan meminta informasi terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal, pendek dan sederhana, sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya.
Oke, yang ketiga, Noce. Noce. Oke, dilanjutkan dengan Elias, nomor 3.
Tidak lihat Ibu nomor 3 ini.
Ibu sudah tampilkan ini, mungkin jaringan.
Nomor 3 tidak terlihat.
Bawah sedikit, Ibu. Nomor
Lihat
3
nomor
tidak
sekian,
ada,
Bu.
Bu. 3 dan 4, Ibu.
Iya, sabar, Ibu. Ini
Menyimpulkan informasi yang terdapat dalam beberapa teks deskriptif tulis dengan memberikan dan minta
Ibu belum, Ibu kasih tindak.
Kembali.
Ini
sudah.
Masih turun, Bu.
Ini sudah nomor 3.
belum, Bu. Ini kayak nomor ini. IPK ini, Kak, Bu. Ya. Kak Elias, lanjut.
menyimpulkan informasi yang terdapat dalam beberapa teks deskriptif tulis dengan memberikan dan minta informasi terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal, pendek sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaan. Menyusun teks deskriptif tulis pendek dan sederhana terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal dengan memperhatikan fungsi efektif dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks dan penggunaan. Saya ambil semua, Ibu, saya rajin.
Oke, terima kasih Elias dan teman-teman yang sudah membacaan tadi. Oke, sebelum kita masuk di materi tentang deskriptif teks, Ibu akan memberikan kalian retest. Jadi nanti di sini ada teks yang Ibu sediakan, terus kalian menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan dari berdasarkan teks yang Ibu sajikan ya. Ini pertanyaannya. Silakan dilihat dulu, setelah itu Ibu akan menampilkan teksnya. Ibu kasih waktu 4 menit saja.
Sudah, Bu.
Oke, pretestnya sudah selesai, nanti dikumpulkan saja.
Oke, Bu.
Oke,
Ibu.
sebelum Ibu menjelaskan, Ibu akan membagi grup dulu. Silakan dilihat grupnya masing-masing. Pertama, Lia, Desi, dan Rosa. Kelompok 2, ada Dia dan Elias, kelompok 3 Vivi Noce, kelompok 4 Elizabeth dan Mercy.
Yes, saya dengan dia. Yes.
Masih ada yang belum dapat kelompok?
Elias.
Merci.
Saya dengan
Ibu.
Lia.
Oke.
Kita kelompok dia.
Sebelum Ibu menampilkan apa yang kalian kerjakan sebentar, Ibu akan menjelaskan sedikit apa itu descriptive text ya. Oke, descriptive text definitionnya mungkin ada yang bisa bacakan untuk kita. Lia, can you read it for us? Okay.
Descriptive text is a text which tells what a place, a person, or thing is like.
Okay, good. The social function.
The social function
Lia,
is
can you read?
the social function
Okay.
Me, ma'am.
is text which tells what a place, a person, or thing is like.
Okay. The next language features. Generic structure. Generic
Yeah,
structure. Okay,
Me,
please.
ma'am. Okay, generic structure, the first identification, it is the first paragraph of the text. It identifies the place which is going to be described in the following parts. The second, description. The following paragraph after identification. The following paragraph gives a description about a particular place as a topic of the text so that the readers can picture how it looks like.
Okay, good. Thank you, Elizabeth.
You're
Now,
welcome, ma'am.
Mercy. Can you read us? Can you read it for us? The language features of structure descriptive text. Mercy. Hello, Mercy.
Dia, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the language features of descriptive text.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Tense which is often used is simple present tense. However, sometimes it uses past tense if the thing to be described doesn't exist anymore. Focus on specific participants, my English teacher, and Dennis cat, my favorite place. The third, use of descriptive adjectives, just like strong legs, white fangs. And the fourth, use of detailed noun phrase to give information about the subject. For example, a very beautiful scenery, a sweet young lady, very thick fur. And the fifth, use of action verbs, material processes. It eats grass, it runs fast. And next, use of adverbials to give additional information about behavior, just like fast, at tree house. And the last one is use of figurative language, just like John is as white as chalk.
Okay, thank you, Fifi. Now, please see the example of descriptive text. Anyone? Mungkin ada yang mau membacakan teksnya tentang this example of descriptive text. Lia.
Imam.
Okay.
Identification, Borobudur Temple is very famous Buddhist temple. It is a great one of the greatest Buddhist monument in the world. Built in the 8th and the 7th century by Shailendra dynasty, the temple consists of 10 floors. It symbolizes the 10th floor in the Buddhist 10 levels to achieve perfection. Description, Borobudur Temple also can divide into 3 levels. Those are Kamanadu, Rupadadu, and Arupadatu. Kamadadu symbolizes the lowest level of human history because this is the law of karma. Here we can see karma Vibhanga relief. The second level is the Rudadatu level or the level of faith. It symbolizes people are starting to search the immunization. At this level, we can see the Lalistrafi, the relief about the Buddha, and also the relief of the scale of the level. The last also is Rupati level, or the level without the face, is symbolized perfect, is the circle floor at the temple when we see the stupa. The design of Borobudur will symbolize the structure of universe influence temple at Angkor, Cambodia. Borobudur temple base is dedicated as the Indonesian monument. In 1983 is a valuable treasure for Indonesian people. Thank you, ma'am.
Oke, thank you Elias. Oke, tadi di situ di penjelasan yang dibacakan itu oleh teman-teman kalian di situ sudah menjelaskan apa itu descriptive text, social function, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text ya. Okay, now we will do the LKTB. In your group, please read the text. There are two texts about tourism place. So in this section, the LKPD1, you find out the main idea of the text of Tanjung Puting National Park and Taj Mahal. Jadi di sini ada dua teks. Yang pertama itu di dalam grup kalian menemukan main idea ya, ide utama dari kedua teks tersebut. Di sini ada tabel yang Ibu sudah sediakan. Di sini kalian fokus dulu kepada paragraf pertama dan kedua, yaitu opening statement to introduce the object and supporting paragraph that describes the object, paragraf kedua saja. Begitu juga dengan di teks yang kedua, nanti fokusnya pada paragraf pertama dengan paragraf kedua. Oke, silakan di dalam kelompok Ibu kasih waktu 3 menit untuk membacakan teks tersebut dan find out the main idea of the paragraph. Ini teksnya, silakan dibaca. Ini teks 1-nya, ini teks 2-nya. Ibu kasih waktu 3 menit. Yang pertama itu find out the identification and description. Di situ kalian fokusnya di paragraf pertama dengan kedua saja. Silakan. In your group. Sebentar dipresentasikan ya. Tadi Ibu sudah bagi dalam kelompok. Silakan kerjakan dalam kelompoknya masing-masing. Silakan diskusikan dengan teman-teman. Ibu kasih waktu 3 menit ya. Hello class.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke. Ada kesulitan?
Oh, ma'am. Fee.
Oh, ma'am.
We're still reading the text, ma'am.
Oke. Have you finished text 1?
Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Continue
ma'am.
to text 2 about Taj Mahal.
Tolong perbesar sedikit, Bu. Can't read. Okay.
Okay.
Enough. Cukup. Tanjung Puting Jawa is international. Which is located
Finish?
Yes.
Okay. We will continue to LKPD 2. LKPD 2, you will analyze the generic structure, the social function, the generic structure, and the language features of the text, ya. Text 1 and text 2. This is the table. Table of analyze.
Social function of text 1.
Are you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Before we continue to LKPD 3, Ibu minta untuk presentasikan dulu ya yang LKPD 1 dan 2. Oke, kelompoknya Elias, please present your result, your LKPD 1.
The picture is about
Find out the main idea. In paragraph 1.
Ma'am, can you open again the text?
Okay. This is the text.
Okay, the text is about Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay. Identification-nya and description-nya, main idea in paragraph 2.
Identification I see in the first paragraph, and the next is about description.
Okay. Grupnya Lia, please find out the main idea of text 2.
The main idea of the text 2 is about Taj Mahal, a well-known architectural object in India. And I forgot the next questions, ma'am.
The next question is find out the main idea in paragraph 2.
Main idea of paragraph 2 is Taj Mahal is a very large tomb made of ivory white marble.
Okay, good question, Leah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Elias, for
Yes.
the answer. Okay, now we will continue to LKPD 2. Groupnya Vivi. Please analyze the social function and the generic structure of the two descriptive texts above. Based on the text, ya. This is the table.
Boleh cek teksnya, Bu?
Okay.
The second text is about Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay.
The second
The second text is about Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal of the Taj.
Okay, how about the language features? How about the language features of um, Tanjung Puting National Park?
Simple present
Listening?
and simple present tense and past tense.
Okay.
And then
How
here,
about Taj Mahal?
Taj Mahal also uses simple present tense mostly.
Simple present. Okay, good. Okay, now we will continue to LKPD 3. Di sini nanti kalian membuat kesimpulan berdasarkan teks ini, berdasarkan pertanyaan ini. Ibu kasih waktu 3 menit.
Finish, ma'am.
Oke.
That group finish.
Kelompok.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, kelompoknya dia. Please present your answer.
Oke, dia.
Where is dia?
Halo, dia.
Oke, grupnya Noce. Where is Noce? Okay, there is no Noce.
He's
Okay,
going to
kelompoknya
toilet,
Vivi.
ma'am.
Okay. Kelompoknya Vivi, can you answer the question, please?
What number, ma'am?
This is the question about the text above. Based on the text above.
Which text, teacher? Okay, two. Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's about Bromo. What is it? Tanjung Puting. Social function. Inform.
It's about beautiful
Describe.
waterfall or Tanggedu waterfall.
This is this is LKPD 3. Based on the text above about Taj Mahal and Tanjung Puting National Park.
Yes.
It's about text is about Taj Mahal and Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
Number 2.
National Park is one.
By reading the text.
By reading the
How do
text,
you know
the
about
text,
by reading the text?
what do you think the function of the text?
To describe
To describe the
Okay.
describe
The tourism
animals
place.
and
to describe
Tourism
place.
place.
Describe a
Okay.
particular place such
the
as
reading place.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
Okay.
Taj
What kind
Mahal
of
and
information do you find in the text?
The location.
Okay, the
Physical
location.
features of Taj Mahal,
The
Okay.
place.
the
Okay.
located of Taj
Yeah, the
Mahal, and
located.
The
Okay, good.
description in detail about Taj Mahal and Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay. The good answer. Okay, number 5. Is there any specific way of writing a descriptive text? Explain your answer.
Yes,
No,
there is
no.
a specific way of writing descriptive text. Explain your answer. A descriptive text consists of identification, description, and yes,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
A descriptive text consists of identification, description.
Okay. Thank you, Mercy.
Identi-
Okay, now we will continue to LKPD 4. Make a simple descriptive text based on tourism object in your place. Ibu kasih waktu 5 menit untuk menulis karena di sini kita hanya menulis yang sederhana saja ya.
Oke.
Oke, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Oke. Siapa yang mau presentasikan yang pertama?
Okay, our group, ma'am.
Okay.
Our group want to
Silakan
describe.
Elias.
Our group want to describe about Komodo Island.
Okay.
Komodo Island is located in NTT province, that's Manggarai, and in Komodo Island we can see the Komodo dragon, and now there are many people come there to visit the Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon is binatang langka, and everyone in the world come to see the Komodo dragon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Elias. Give applause to Elias and his friend. Dari kelompok lain mungkin ada yang mau presentasikan? Oke, sekarang terima kasih untuk pembelajaran kita hari ini. Sebelum kita menutup pembelajaran, Ibu mau menanya kira-kira apa yang kita pelajari hari ini?
Descriptive text, ma'am. Descriptive text about the place.
Okay.
We study about how to analyze descriptive text, ma'am.
Okay, Lia.
The social function of descriptive text, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yang kita pelajari tadi itu adalah tentang descriptive text ya. Dan kita sudah mempelajari apa itu definisi, generic structure, language feature, and social function of descriptive text, and how to write a descriptive text. Oke, sebelum kita akhiri, Ibu kasih kalian post-test dulu. Nanti post-testnya ini kalian kerjakan dan dikumpulkan ke ketua kelas ya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, for the next meeting, we will discuss descriptive text about animal. Okay, I think time is over, and mudah-mudahan apa yang kita pelajari hari ini bisa bermanfaat untuk kalian dalam menulis tentang descriptive text ya. Okay, tetap semangat dalam belajar, dan kita akan menutupi pertemuan kita hari ini dengan berdoa. Okay, Elias, please lead your friends to pray again.
Okay, let us pray. Pray, begin. Pray, finish.
Thank you, Elias. Thank you, students, for your participation today, and see you next meeting.
See you, ma'am.
See you, ma'am.
Thank you.